So while cleaning up, just noticed a little squid hanging off the back of the boat. So we're going to chuck a little squid jig in. Let's see if we can catch him. We went for it.
What am I thinking? No.
Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board and come sail away with Skateaway. We almost had this place to ourselves, and then we spotted in the distance, we got a sailing canoe on its way. So they're sailing straight for us. I'm gonna put this camera away because I don't want them to see. We have a big camera. So they've sailed all the way from this island over here, all the way to come see us.
People come a long way to come visit us, have some tea. Nah, looks like some good sails on it though. They've done well. Hasn't been much wind and they've gone upwind.
Yeah.
It's just a bit of a strange feeling arriving to such a remote place in a foreign country by boat. It almost feels a bit intrusive because we came on our own with no notice or warning of our arrival, but we know they're stoked to have us. It's super exciting, but at the same time nerve-wracking when they approach us and we're wondering, are they happy to see us or are their intentions more malicious?
Hello!
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 How are you?
Welcome!
Yes!
Yeah.
Welcome aboard!
Yes, welcome.
We are in this new and exciting place and we've been accepted. We're now wondering, is it okay to take photos? Can we take videos? We of course always asked first, but typically it felt a bit challenging capturing our experiences at these islands without being too invasive. But we did our best.
Many crayfish. The fishermen just returned and we did our first trade.
Yeah, it's exciting. I don't know if we did it right, but I'm super happy.
They seemed happy. I mean, they don't show happiness when you give stuff much, and I seen a little bit of a smile maybe.
That's true. Oftentimes you give them things and people don't even really say thank you.
They almost seem upset.
Yeah.
Because they're thinking about what they need to give in return, but they gave plenty in return, so
And they only asked for rice and sugar.
yeah, some rice and sugar.
So I tried to give them a pretty hefty bag just because I was like, Jesus, like they just went out and caught all these and brought it to us.
So a little trick when getting all the like poo and stuff out of the crayfish, you can just use their own antenna. Snap it small. Kind of put it up inside them. And the barbs are hooked one way, so kind of pulls out all the poo bits. Just heading to the island. Poppy's resting, so I'm gonna cook up some crayfish on the fire and then bring it back to her. Again, the fire cranking. It couldn't be a more picturesque place. Short walk out to a little bit of paradise. The local fishermen are staying up there at the last quay on the chain. Yeah, apparently they'll be there for the week, just catching fish that they'll sell at Missima markets. And then when Beach Smurf season's on, they'll be catching those to take all the way to Alotau. Yeah, cruising around on these awesome sailing canoes. So awesome that they build them all themselves. Love to go on one. We'll see. Fingers crossed. So, on go the crayfish, bush cabbage. Ooh. So one of the rungs caught fire, collapsed, and all of it fell in the fire. So we're going to plan B, cook them straight on the fire.
Just watching the sunset. Maybe he wants to trade. You come to trade some crayfish?
Yeah, I got some fresh crayfish cooked in the fire.
Yeah.
Yep. Didn't all go to plan. At first the like oven thing I built caught on fire and collapsed. And then so I started cooking them in the fire. And then they got so much mixed up in the ashes, I was like, I'll wash them. And I went to wash them in the ocean and a wave come and it took all of them. It was quickly trying to get them, put them back in the bucket before the birds come and got them.
What?
And then I started to like crack them open and there was so many flies, you could not believe it.
That's why I didn't want to
I
go.
decided I had to risk like bringing some flies here to come and get away from it.
Oh, you better hurry up, get inside
So
and
it's
lock the
cooked,
windows.
but- Well, I might do a little lap out here and
Okay,
give them a little threat and then
okay.
and I'll get you some green bananas.
Oh, okay.
So now, after retreating back to the boat, away from the flies, cracking them open and just pulling the meat out while feeding the local sharks.
How kind of you.
Well, the guys said they put out some shark lines, so maybe the sharks could need some help around here. We've brought it back to the critic, the food critic, to give her judgment on the crayfish that was thrown in the ashes and in the sea and just flies swatted off. How's it taste?
You're really selling it. No, it's really nice. Super good.
Is it? Actually.
Yeah.
Woo!
Normally I need to put like lemon or something on it, but it's good by itself.
Cooking on the fires just made it nice and soft to crack open the shell.